Hello and welcome to Ingredient 101. I'm certified natural healthcare practitioner Erin Palmer with Immuno Labs, and today we are discussing the wonderful avocado. The avocado is a rather unique type of fruit. Most fruit consists primarily of carbohydrates, while avocado is very high in healthy fats. These days, the avocado has become an incredibly popular food among health-conscious individuals. It is often referred to as a superfood, which is not surprising given its health properties. Avocados are rich in vitamins, fiber, protein, and have a high healthy fat content, which plays an important role in controlling a number of ailments, such as reducing the risk of arthritis, diabetes, stroke, coronary artery disease. It helps to lower cholesterol levels, promotes a healthy body weight, and helps to prevent the development of certain types of cancer. Hence the term superfood. There are many kinds of avocados, ranging in shape from pear-shaped to round, and in many colors from green to black. And it can also weigh anywhere from 8 ounces to 3 pounds. The most popular type of avocado is called a Hass avocado. Avocados are very nutritiously dense and contain a wide variety of nutrients, including 20 different vitamins and minerals, which is impressive. Some of the most abundant nutrients in a single 3.5 ounce serving of avocado are vitamin K, which is essential for our circulatory health and hormonal health, folate, which is fabulous for memory and cognitive function, vitamin C, which we all know is a very important antioxidant, which helps with boosting the immune system, potassium, which is fabulous for regulating blood pressure and also for muscle cramps, which we'll get into in a little bit here. We also have vitamin B5, vitamin B6, which are essential to adrenal health, help to combat stress and fatigue, and give us lots of energy. Vitamin E, which is essential to healthy skin and also a healthy circulatory system, and also aid in thyroid function. We have some minerals in here that are in smaller amounts, things like magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, zinc, and phosphorus, and also more minute amounts of things like vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, and B3. Like I was saying, potassium is fabulous for the heart. This nutrient helps to maintain electrolyte balance within the body, which helps with things like muscle cramps and blood pressure regulation. Avocados are very high in potassium, with a 3.5 ounce serving contain 14% of the RDA, which is our recommended daily allowance. This is compared to 10% in bananas, which is the food that most people think of when they think of potassium in foods. Several studies show that having a high potassium intake is linked to reduction in blood pressure, a major risk factor in cardiac diseases, and also stroke and kidney failure. Like I said earlier, avocados are a high-fat food. In fact, 77% of the calories in an avocado is coming from fat, which makes it one of the fattiest plant foods in existence. But they don't just contain any fat. The majority of fat in avocado is oleic acid. This is a monounsaturated fat that it also helps. That is also the major component in avocado oil and is believed to be responsible for some of its beneficial effects. This special kind of fat has also been linked to the reduction of inflammation and has been shown to have great benefits on the cancer-causing genes. The fats in avocados are also pretty resistant to high-induced heating, so you can use it as a cooking oil without worrying too much. The fat in avocados is rich in phytosterols. Avocados are one of the richest foods containing them. These phytosterols play a major role in enhancing cardiovascular health, but are also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, which makes them an ideal food for arthritis patients. The second component of the fat of the avocado is the polyhydroxylated fatty alcohols, or PFAs. PFAs are fatty alcohols which are widely found in ocean plants and are very rarely found in land plants, thus making avocados a very unique food because it contains them. Like phytosterols, PFAs are also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, which again helps to reduce the inflammation within joints, which reduces pain. Fiber is another nutrient found in relatively high amounts in avocado. Fiber is indigestible plant matter that can contribute to weight loss, reduce blood sugar spikes, and is strongly linked to lowering many risks of other diseases. Basically, fiber creates bulk within the digestive tract, making us feel fuller for longer. A distinction is often made between soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber is known to be able to feed the friendly gut bacteria of the intestines, which is very important for optimal function of our bodies, especially the digestive system and the immune system. Insoluble fiber helps to move things through the digestive tract, so it is great for constipation. 3.5 ounces of avocado contains 7 grams of fiber, which is 27% of the recommended daily allowance. Most people do not get nearly enough fiber in their daily diet, so adding in some avocado is a great place to start. Actually, consuming the seed of the avocado will provide you with 100% of your daily allowance of fiber, and we'll talk about that a little bit more in a little bit here. About 25% of the fiber in the avocado is soluble, while 75% is insoluble. Heart disease in its various forms is the most common cause of death in the world. It is known that several blood markers are linked to an increased risk. These include cholesterol, triglycerides, inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, and blood pressure. The effects of avocado on some of these risk factors has been studied in many human studies. In one study, people were split into groups. One group was instructed to eat avocados, while the other was not. Then researchers had to see what would happen to their blood markers over time. These studies have shown that avocados can reduce the total cholesterol levels significantly, reduce blood triglycerides by up to 20%, lower LDL, which is known as the quote-unquote bad cholesterol, by 22%, and increase HDL, quote-unquote the good cholesterol, by up to 11%. Not only do avocados increase antioxidant absorption from other foods, they are also high in antioxidants themselves. These include nutrients called lutein and zeaxanthin, which are incredibly important for eye health. Studies show that these nutrients are linked to drastically reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, which are common in the elderly. Therefore, eating avocados should have benefits for eye health over long term as well. Some studies have shown that nutrients in avocados may have benefits in preventing prostate cancer and lowering the side effects of chemotherapy. Multiple studies have shown that extracts from avocado oil can reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis. As we know in arthritis, especially osteoarthritis, there is progressive degeneration of the joint cartilage, which in turn results in impairment of its function, resulting in pain, swelling, and stiffness. The studies have shown that oxidative inflammatory stress in the body can further increase the degeneration of the joints, leading to more joint damage and cartilage breakdown. Here, avocados play an important role in decreasing the oxidative and inflammatory stress due to the large amounts to the antioxidants. Avocados can also help to control weight because they have a high nutrient value, high fiber content, and they control a lot of healthy fats that help you stay satisfied for longer and make you less likely to overeat. In one study, people were split into 2 groups. One group was instructed to eat a meal that contained avocado. The other ate a similar meal without avocado. Then they were asked a series of questions related to hunger. The people eating the avocados felt 23% more satisfied and had a 28% lower desire to eat over the next 5 hours. If this holds true in the long term, then including avocados in your diet could help you naturally to eat fewer calories and have an easier time sticking to a healthy diet. Avocados are rich in cancer-fighting carotenoids, which are most plentiful in the dark green portion of the flesh that's closest to the skin. In 2010, the California Avocado Commission issued guidelines for getting the most out of your avocados by peeling it the right way. California-grown avocados contain 11 carotenoids, according to the USDA's Agricultural Research Service. Avocados contain a complex package of phytonutrients, including carotenoids, that may provide numerous health benefits. Carotenoids appear to protect human cells against cancer, heart disease, age-related macular degeneration, among other conditions. The UCLA research showed that avocados had the greatest concentration and benefits of carotenoids in the dark green of the fruit, which is closest to the peel. To preserve this area with the greatest concentration of antioxidants, what you want to do is peel your avocado with your hands as you would a banana. Not only are avocados healthy, they're also incredibly delicious and go with all sorts of foods. You can add them to salads and smoothies and use them in various other sorts of recipes. Or you can simply scoop them out with a spoon and eat them plain. They have a rich and creamy texture and blend well into other various ingredients. A notable mention here would be, obviously, guacamole, which is arguably the most famous use of the avocado. And here you can take advantage of a wonderful, simple avocado recipe. An avocado often takes some time to ripen, and it should feel slightly soft when ripe. The nutrients in avocado can oxidize soon after flushing it, but if you add a little bit of lemon juice, that shouldn't happen quite as quickly. Don't throw away those avocado seeds. Over 70% of the total antioxidant capacity of the avocado is actually found within the seed. But wait a minute, some of you may be saying, aren't fruit seeds toxic? Well, fruit seeds from cherries, plums, and apricots contain the chemical cyanide, and large quantities of these seeds can lead to vomiting, dizziness, and even death. But that is not the case with the avocado seed. In a 2013 study published by the Scientific World Journal, researchers concluded that the avocado seed was safe and did not show signs of toxicity. Pennsylvania State University recently launched a study on the benefits of avocado seeds and found that the phenolic antioxidant compounds in the seeds may actually lower high cholesterol, high blood pressure, reduce inflammatory conditions such as diabetes, and boost your immunity. The seeds even have insecticidal, fungicidal, and antimicrobial properties. Dr. Tom Wu says, any heart disease patient must eat avocado, including the seed. Dr. Tom Wu has earned the Remarkable Contribution Award from the American Cancer Society and the World Famous Doctor Award from the United Nations for his breakthroughs with diabetes and cancer. The avocado seed contains anti-tumor properties, especially the potent antioxidants called flavonols. In a 2013 study published in the journal Pharmaceutical Biology, researchers found that an extract from avocado fruit and seeds caused leukemia cells to self-destruct. In a more recent study published in the peer-reviewed journal Cancer Research, researchers discovered that a compound found in avocado seed called avocatin B was effective against acute leukemia cells. Eating avocado seeds can also help with digestion. In traditional South American cultures, the avocado seeds is used for treating conditions such as gastric ulcers, severe diarrhea, acute diarrhea, and other digestive problems. The antioxidants and fiber found in the avocado seeds are beneficial for digestion. A strong immune system is a great way to prevent disease. Avocado seeds and skins contain greater antioxidant levels than the meat of the avocado. They have high anti-inflammatory properties that reduce stiffness, swelling of the joints, and diseases. The anti-inflammatory effects also help strengthen the immune system and prevent colds and flus. Evidence also shows that avocado seed oil can greatly increase the production of collagen within the skin, which reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Avocado seed oil is also used as a great treatment for acne flare-ups. To safely remove the seed from the avocado, what you need to do is cut the avocado in half, insert the tip of your knife into the pit, twist and gently pull it out. Then you can remove the avocado seed from the knife. To use the avocado seed in a recipe, what you can do is put it in a plastic bag and then crush it with a hammer. If you have a high-powered blender like a Vitamix or a Blendtec, you can actually just throw the whole thing into the blender and it'll chop it up nice and smooth. You can use these seeds in your smoothies and sauces. Really, the sky is the limit with them. So use that avocado meat, use that avocado seed, and you will enjoy a multitude of health benefits. I hope that you enjoyed learning about the avocado, and I hope that you will continue to watch our other educational videos with Immuno Labs within the Ingredient 101 series. This is Erin Palmer, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks.